What do you think of that?
What do we have here?
What do we have here, everyone?
New skates.
New skates. Yeah, well actually the plates, I had the same plates as before. But these boots are brand new. These are Bont, what is it, the Vegan Parkstar.
Yeah, yours are. I got the Parkstar suede. I killed a cow.
So mine are, these are the Vegan Parkstars from Bont. So tell us a little bit about this skate, Kevin. This boot, I should say. So well, Kevin mounted this boot to my Powerdyne Reactor Neo plates, which I've been skating on for a while.
Yeah.
And this is my first time on these boots. They feel really, really stiff, but the more that I keep skating around, they start to feel like they're breaking in. They have like a fiberglass shell, so they're really like hard feeling, but they're starting to give in a little bit. They have this cool little bumper on the toe, which I think is a cool design.
You can get the replacement. You can replace that.
Yeah.
They say it glues on, supposedly, which is kind of cool.
That's pretty cool. I like it. There's a very small heel built into the boot, barely, very little. So it's very different because I've been skating on the Moxie Jack boots for the park and the street, and they have a pretty big heel. So this feels more like my jam skates. And my jam skates that I usually use at the rink are the Vanilla Juniors, and they're totally flat. So these feel to me kind of like my Vanilla Juniors, but with a much stiffer, harder, tougher boot. Because my vanillas are like soft, mushy, you know, like jam skates are. So I'm getting used to them, trying to break them in. What can I say about this product? It's like $250 for the boots. You can also,
not bad.
That's just pretty good. You can order also plates and stuff from Bont, but I didn't. I just used the plate that I already had, and Kevin switched them out. I'm trying to break them in, trying to kind of carve them side to side. They're starting to give in a little bit.
I see the ankle strap. They also.
Oh yeah, see how cool the
Velcro ankle strap.
It's very nice. I don't have it very tight right now because they're already so stiff.
The boots, yeah.
Yeah, they're already so stiff. Kevin got the custom colored ones.
Yeah, they're gonna be cool. I can't
Kevin's
wait.
are fancier.
I'm a fancy boy.
But I like the all black.
Yeah, they look cool.
They kind of remind me of my Antiques, or Antiques. I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, I was skating on the Phantoms, the AR1s from Antiques.
Yeah.
And I liked them. It's just that they got beat up really easily. They're very comfortable, but they're soft. These are way tougher. Like the construction of them is super tough. I don't really remember all the details of it, but just like looking at the Bont website, they've really put a lot of thought into how they're designed. So that's one of the reasons why we wanted to try them.
Also, we wanted to try them because you seem to think your Moxies, well, they're a little heavy, right? That's kind of what you're dealing with right now. You've got a hip issue.
I like the Moxie Jack boots, but I do find them to be heavy.
Yeah.
And these are obviously, like right off the bat, tons lighter than my Moxies are. So, I mean, I guess it depends on the person. Some people might not find it to be a deal, but like I've been, yeah, sounds like a little bothered with the weight and everything. So, but yeah, I really like them so far, and I'm trying to just kind of get used to how they feel. But so far, I really like them, and the test will be once we go to the park with them, see how they are at the park.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm just in this parking lot, empty parking lot, trying to break them in, get used to how they feel. So, only skated in them a few minutes, they already feel a lot better. So I don't think it's going to take a terribly long time. They seem to be forming already to my feet, which is good. And yeah, I'm excited. So the next thing is for Kevin to get his, and then we can both skate in our Bonts together.
Yay.
So if you like that kind of interesting information about skates and stuff, or if you have any other questions, let us know, and if we can answer them, we will, if we know. But please put your comments down below and like and subscribe. Thanks.